Good morning from the Premier Inn at Heathrow. The time right now is 6:07. We are just about to leave to go to Heathrow and fly to Miami. We have just packed up all of our things that we had last night. So let's go. So we just checked out the Premier Inn. We are on our way to the airport now. Like I said, we are flying to Miami, the international airport, since tomorrow we are hopping on a Disney cruise, the Destiny, one of the newest ships. I'm so excited. So come along with us. So we are just waiting at our gate. We are about to board soon. I'm not too sure what gate we're at, but we are. What gate are we at, Mum?
C56.
C56. So we're just about to board. They just put it through the intercom, so it's exciting. So we will see you on the plane. Okay, so we literally just settled down. We are about to take off soon, I hope. We got just Dad reading his book already, as he does. Got my book on my lap and Mum's just readjusting. But yeah, exciting. Getting comfy, getting ready. We'll be there in what, 12 hours?
9 hours.
9?
It's going to be about.
So what time would you say we'd get there by?
I'm going to be there about 2:30 Miami time.
Oh, that's really good. I was expecting it to be worse than that. I was expecting it to be quite late. I think we said that we might go Walgreens when we get there. So, exciting stuff. I'm actually just really excited to get a root beer. Yeah, an American root beer is all I really want right now. So I definitely want to go to like a Target or a Walgreens to pick up a A&W root beer. But yeah, I don't really think I've got anything planned to do on the plane other than read. Like Dad, he just got a new book. You downloaded some stuff, didn't you, Mum?
Yeah.
On like your iPad, some TV shows. But no, we do have like obviously a TV and stuff. So I'll see what they have on. But according to Mum, when they went to Vegas, if you watch the videos, apparently there was like nothing really good on the TVs. So hopefully they've updated them, added something new. But if not, probably just watch Zootropolis 2 if that's on.
Yeah, Zootropolis 2's on there still.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll probably just keep on catching up with you if I remember. We'll be getting food, I think.
Yes.
Yep. So I'll probably do a little review of that because a little food critic. So see you then. Okay, well I just found the movies and here is everything that you have. Doesn't look like much. Got Wuthering Heights, heard that's new. Don't really know much about it though. Oh, back. You have to use this remote, I always forget. I think it's like touchscreen. But literally. Oh, Wicked for Good. Oh, Wicked for Good. Oh, they have the SpongeBob movie, Dad. That's good, the SpongeBob movie. That was Zootropolis 2. They're Five Nights at Freddy's too. Yeah. And the Black Phone too. Oh, there's some good movies. We're back to the start. So yeah, by the looks of it, there's some okay movies, but nothing like amazing is what I'm saying. But at least there's something. They have like all the Star Wars films as well. I've seen. Like, if I show you, there's like this whole thing, and there's literally just all Star Wars. That's pretty good. I mean, I've never watched the Star Wars films, but I know that people do like them. Oh my god, they have Disney Plus. I feel this is fitting. Huh. Oh, I think it's just all the Star Wars films again. Deadpool and Wolverine. Still need to watch that.
It's more funny than scary. Because it's like bad scary. Wait, which one? Oh.
So yeah, they're okay. Nothing good, I guess. Nothing that's really shining for me other than maybe Zootropolis 2. But yeah, just thought from May, this is everything that they have. Okie dokie guys, so our food has just arrived. you had the option of a chicken tikka masala or vegetarian pasta. So I went with the chicken tikka. This is what it's looking like. You've got your chicken tikka with some rice and some beans, little bread roll, crackers, butter, cheese. What is that? A chocolate and salted caramel pot, water, and some veg, which I don't even know what that is, but I know that I'm not eating, so I'll just give it to Dad. But it's been really good. A little hack Mom showed me was to put the chicken in the roll, so that is what I've done, and then I'll pick at that, because don't really want the beans, because I don't really like boiled veg. You can definitely tell that has been boiled, but yeah, other than that, everything else is good, other than the cheese as well, because I don't really like cheese, but can't wait to try it, and I'll tell you guys how it tastes. Okay, so I just tried the chicken tikka masala, and oh my gosh, that is really good. It's really spicy, but really good, especially in the roll. That's, like I said, that's what I did. It tasted really good, so that's really nice. I haven't tried the rice yet though, because I just stuffed it all in the roll, but it's quite spicy though. That's the only thing that I'd say. Dad and his cracker. The cracker's good. Good. You got the pasta, didn't you? How was it?
It was good. You know, it's better. The housemaid.
Oh, is that the book you're reading? No, he's reading The Housemaid right now. I listened to it as an audiobook, but it was really good. I do agree. So I told him to read that, but he didn't have high hopes for it. Tisk, tisk, tisk. But no, he's really enjoying it. He's read like 100 pages in 2 hours, which I'm pretty impressed by. But yeah. No, this food is really good. Back to the actual topic that I was talking about. This is probably one of the best plain foods I've actually ever tried. I usually hate plain food. It's always pasta or like pasta with veg in it. And like I will eat vegetables, but not when they're boiled. Don't like boiled veg. But no, this is really good because it only has like a couple of green beans and a bit of broccoli, but then everything else is really nice. Can't wait to try the chocolate caramel pot though, because I usually love them. I think we usually get like a chocolate orange one though, but this one looks good. Have you enjoyed your dinner?
Yeah, it was actually really tasty.
Wasn't it? It's like better than most of the plain foods, isn't it?
Yeah, it's better than the smashed potato that you usually get with some sort of chicken, yeah.
That's what I said, bro. No, yeah. But yeah, it's been a nice little meal. It's actually really filling as well. But yeah, I'm going to finish eating this and I'll do a review for the chocolate pot because that's what I'm most excited for. And I will... Oh, the time right now, I don't know what the time is, but we still got 6 hours and 52 minutes and our arrival time is still 3 p.m. So yeah, still got a journey. I haven't gotten back to you guys in quite a while, but I think we have about 3 hours left of the flight. It has been so long. It was 9.5 hours in total. I don't think this is probably one of the longest flights I've been on, like mentally. Like I know I've been to California, I know that's 13 hours, but this has just dragged. Do you think, Dad? Yeah, we've all been complaining, but right now I'm literally just watching Soul. This is such a good movie. It's so underrated. You should all go watch it. It's such a good movie. I love Soul. Soul and Turning Red. I really like Turning Red as well. Both two good movies. And Coco. Oh, I love Coco. I really want to go on the treasure so we can go to the Coco restaurant because it's Mexican. I love Mexican food so much. Dad's still reading his book. He has been for 9 hours. That is dedication. Mum is watching a series that she's found. So yeah, we're just chilling. Just want to get off the plane now. I think we are officially in America though, so that is good. I think we've been discussing that we might go to Walgreens once we get all our luggage and stuff. So yeah, I still really want my root beer, but I think that's it. So I shall see you probably when we land, because I doubt nothing's going to happen between now and in like 2 hours. So see ya. Okay, so we have finally landed, and not only that, we have made our way to the hotel we are staying at before we board for the cruise. We are at the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina. I'll do a quick room tour in a minute, but all of our stuff is on the bed. And yeah, I am sweating. I've got my hair up in a bun. I'm changing out my leggings, getting into some shorts. I am so shattered though, because it's like basically midnight in England, was only like 6 o'clock here. So I am feeling the tiredness creeping by seconds. But yeah, but I'm also super hungry. Dad finished his book, guys. 300 pages in 8 hours. 328 pages in 8 hours. In the comments, give him a little round of applause. Be very pleased. But no. I don't actually know. I think we're gonna go down and see what we can find. But yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this balcony though we have in this room. I'll show you a bit better, but I'm actually really impressed. It has like little port. It's very cute. We literally drove past the what's it called, Mum, where you bought the boat? Dock, port, same thing, you know. For Disney, so we're literally fingertips away from getting there. Just literally what, like 10 hours? 10 hours maybe? No, a bit more than that.
6, 7.
No, not 6-7 hours. A few hours, let's say. And then we'll be on there. So yeah, exciting stuff. Still really want my root beer. I think we're going to a Walgreens and like a steak place maybe. I don't really know. So yeah, I'll do a room tour now. Let me just clean up. Little room tour. Here's is the front door, and right next to it on the left is this door, and inside is the, what is that? Oh, that's the door. Is the toilet. It's very nice. And then here is just the room. And like I said, the balcony is out here. So, yeah, little room tour. Okay, I think we're about to go out now. So, see you there. So guys, we just found a cute little Italian down the road from our hotel called Caribus. Completely butchered that, but anyway, I think I'm going to get the herb linguine with some extra chicken on it, since it doesn't originally come with chicken, and a high C. So I shall show you what the food looks like when it comes out, because it looks like Olive Garden and I can't wait. Just got my high C, actually so excited. Let's try it.
I'll take their word for it.
That's so good.
Yeah, I'll take their word for it.
Love that. Okay guys, so I got the chicken noodle soup by the looks of it. It looks really interesting because the noodles are like all cut up. So let's have a little try. Let's see what it's like. But no, it looks really good. Oh, it looks quite hot though.
We went on that Disney cruise from Southampton.
Oh my god, that's so good. That was really nice.
You tell the difference
That's
on that
really
Southampton
good.
one, didn't you?
Wow.
We went on that Disney
High
cruise
C.
from Southampton.
Okay, so our main just come and this looks so good.
If I'm
gonna be real, I forgot what I ordered, but it looks good, so I'm not complaining. So I'm gonna eat this up and then I'll give you a review when I get to the hotel. Okay guys, so we just came back from dinner and oh my gosh, that was so good, the food. It was kind of like Olive Garden, but it was, I think it was like a family business, but basically you got your mains, you got some free bread, some free water. But with your mains, you either got soup or salad, like they do at Olive Garden, so that was really good. I got a chicken noodle soup, which was really good. I was not expecting to like it, because it had like lots of chopped vegetables. I don't know, I just wasn't expecting to like it, but it was really good. That was really nice, and the whole service was so lovely. I wasn't able to catch his name, but we had this really nice server, and he kept on coming over, and oh my gosh, like I just forget how like nice America is, like, compared to Britain, because not gonna lie, the British can be a bit sassy compared arrogant. So it's just really nice to come here and just be so welcomed. I'm like, I've never met you, but I feel like I know you so well, kinda. So we had food, like I said, amazing, beautiful, so good. And then we went to Walgreens because I wanted my root beer. They did not have it. They did not have the root beer that I've been gassing on about. No. But instead, I did get an Ollie Pop because I've been seeing all the American girlies try them. I did get it in root beer flavour though, so guess it was meant to be. So, oh my gosh, I did not know what happened there. My camera just fell over. Luckily, I did not open my drink, so let's try that again, shall we? But yeah, no, I've been seeing these like everywhere. I know that in England we have, is it Poppy? I haven't tried that either, but I've not heard good reviews about it, but yeah. Oh, just squirted everywhere. That's pretty good. Should we have a like proper taste test now? Nothing on my A&W, but it's okay. It's okay. It's drinkable. It's, yeah, edible. I think it's gonna be better cold though. I might put it in the fridge for a bit. But no, it's good. Yeah. Just not my root beer I wanted. But it's okay. Anyway, I am shattered. It's, what's the time, Mum?
20 to 9.
20 to 9. So I am literally, as soon as my head hits that pillow, I'm gonna be gonzo. But I'll see you guys next week for day 2, even though it's for me tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Bye, stay magical.